Hi guys, welcome to Maths Cube. Today we are attempting the third question of the Mathematics A paper 2H. This question is about shapes and angles. So let's jump into it. So the diagram shows a parallelogram ABCD and an isosceles triangle DEF in which DE equal to DF, EDF and AGE are straight lines. Angle BCD equal to 58, that's given. Work out the size of angle DEF. Give a reason for each stage of your working. So as always I say that look at the marks below just to get familiar. So this is a 5 marker question, so we have to score 5 marks, and as you all know, it requires us to do 5 minutes of working. So before even starting the question, I'll be explaining you each and every detail. uh, so this angle here is given as 58 degrees Celsius, and what we'll do is, like, the pieces of information that have been given are that this angle is an isosceles, and as you all know, isosceles triangle is that which has two sides of equal length, and these are the two equal lengths, that one here and this one here. And they say we have to work out the size of angle DEF. So you basically have to know which angle you are working. So you'll be familiar, and that's this one, DEF, the middle one, E. So we have to find out this angle here, and you all know that parallelogram, when the angles add up, that's equal to 360 degrees, and an isosceles is almost made up of 180. Yeah, that's 180 degrees. So to start this question off, what we'll do is, we actually know the angle of C, and what we can do is we can find this angle D. Why D? Because D is the angle that connects these isosceles triangle from the parallelogram. So yeah, you have to use your mind, you have to use your brain, that whatever we are finding should be interconnected. So how to find the angle D in a parallelogram? This they also said that CDF, which is from C to D to F, is a straight line, and angles on a straight line add up to 180. So angle D would look like 180 degree minus 58 degrees, that's degrees. So we'll subtract it and we'll get 122 degrees. So the angle D is 122, and in parallelogram opposite side is the same. So angle B will be 120 and angle A would be 58, and that adds up to 360. So for our first half has been done. Now moving on to the second half, and now the second part requires us to work out the triangle now, as we have done with parallelogram. What we all know, that this angle right here, this D angle, will partially equal to this angle here, and that would be 122. And we know that these two sides, this side and this side, is equal. So this can help us find the angle E. We know that the total angle of a triangle is 180, so why don't we subtract 180 by 122, and 180 degree minus 122 degrees gives us 58 degrees. But we also know that this side, or this side of angle, and this side of angle are equal, so that has to be divided into 2. So 58 degrees divided by 2 will give us our angle E. So 58 divided by 2 will give us, and that's 29. So that's our final product. I hope you liked the video and understood the method. Thanks for watching guys, and stay tuned for more videos like these.